Hi everybody, Belinda here. Welcome back. I have a couple of things that I'd like to show you first before we get started. This one here has had 2 coats of varnish and it is sold. It's going to its new home. I'll show you the back. All signed. Nice clean edges, and it's a deep canvas. And this one here, which I have just done my previous video, just show you how beautiful that turned out. And it has a beautiful shimmer to it. There we go. Show you the shimmer here. So that is still drying. It's not 100% dry yet, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to resin it or varnish it yet, either or. And yeah, so this one actually made it onto the featured cover of Australian, Aussie and Kiwi acrylic pouring on Facebook. So I'm really excited about that. And let's get on with today's video. Right, so this is a request from, or the color palette is a request from Sandra, one of the viewers. Thank you so much, Sandra, for requesting it. So my colors I'm going to run through super quick. I am using magenta from Derivan, vermilion from Derivan, fluorescent yellow from Pebeo, dioxazine purple, Liquitex Basics, titanium white by Pebeo, and this red. Some viewers have been asking me which red I use. I'm very particular about my red and my black. It has to be proper red and proper black. So this is the red that I'm working with, and this is the red that I have chosen. So it's Pebeo, and it's actually a naphthol carmine. Right, so that's the red I'm using. I'm going to use one drop of silicone. So I'm literally going to be using 1 drop of silicone, because if you use too much of this, it morphs. Now guys, I'm going to put it in 1 drop in my red only. If you've been watching all of my videos, you'll know that I don't like to use silicone, but in this instance I'm going to use 1 drop. There we go, 1 drop. If you use too much of it, it just morphs, it just looks crazy. And yeah, if you keep up to speed with me, my videos, you will see, hopefully, if I can get my hands onto one of those. I have been Googling for it here in New Zealand, because it is made in New Zealand. Then I will do a giveaway. It doesn't say anything on there about it being dangerous goods or anything like that, so hopefully I'll be able to post that off. So that'll be our giveaway. Okay, so this is a 20 by 30 centimeter deep edged canvas. I'm going in with that beautiful yellow first, and I'm probably going to end up doing just 2 layers. So we do the yellow. Make sure all that silicone is mixed in well, and going in with the red. and then orange, which is the vermilion. Let me show you the consistency. This is 1 part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol, and there is no water. Okay, so again with the orange. So these are sunset colours that Sandra had requested, and I've got a little bit of the titanium white. I don't really want too much white. I'm not going to overdo it with the white. And then I'm going in with the dioxazine purple. And then the magenta. I don't know guys, does it look like sunset in a cup? Maybe that's what I'm going to call this video, sunset in a cup. How about that? Oh, this yellow. This fluorescent yellow is just divine. Look at that guys. How beautiful is that? I'm at the end of this tube, so I'm going to have to get some more. And just finish that off. And a big congratulations to all of the winners, the 2 winners of those 2 paintings. Don't forget to email me. I need your address please, postal address, so that I can post it off to you for free. And then I'll go in with more red. Just use up all of that, because that's the one with the silicone. So it should give nice big cells. Okay, orange. Oh, I can see cells in the cup. That's a really good sign. Hopefully they cell up on the canvas. Okay. And then a little bit more white. And purple. Might keep that over because I might end up having to cover the edges, we don't know. Pink. First in, last in, first out. Okay, let me just put some gloves on. So that is really pretty. Okay, let's go. Okay, there. So this is going to be a flip and lip. So I'm thinking I'm going to go this end. Bit squishy. I can already see the cells popping out. I'll show you guys. The cells popping up over there already. Happy days. Yeah, these cells are absolutely beautiful. Let me just show you the inside of the cup. Beautiful cells, guys. So, see if I can get some out of here. I don't really need it on the edges, there's a lot of paint. Alright. Let's just tilt that around a bit. I love the cell action. So I'm just looking around as I'm tilting. So there's a lot here that I want to keep. Just covering those edges. So I really like that yellow shining through. Let's go off this corner here. Wow, that is pretty, guys. I don't want to lose all my cells, so I'm trying to just move it gently over the edge. Okay, let's turn that around if I can. Okay, which side? Which side do I want to go off now? I want to keep that there. Oh, there's so much here to keep. Oh, so pretty. I would really have loved to have kept that there, but sadly it is going off. I'm just covering this a bit, make sure I've got some really good coverage. And as I don't know if you can see that, guys, but as I'm going and moving around the paint around, it is popping and making more cells. Let's bring that back. If you hear crunching, guys, it's not me, it's my cat. She is eating her treats. She's so adorable. The sides are amazing. It really is beautiful. Okay, lots of bubbles. Just get rid of all those bubbles first, and then I might see if I actually do need to torch it a bit more. Wow. Torch your sides, because you want to get all of that, all those cells popping up. Right, so I need more cells there maybe. I would have preferred if it wasn't too much more white cells over there, but it looks good the way it is. Right guys, I'm going to scrape my edges and I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Right guys, this is it. You can see all of the cells on the edges, and they should stay there as long as you keep scraping the underneath. So these cells are beautiful. I love how there's rings within rings of colors. A bit of lacing going on there as well. Look at those cells, gorgeous. And that over there is really great, love that. That looks like a bird right, where am I? Right there. There's his beak and there's his eye. And these here, these cells, look at those there, those are awesome. Well guys, I'd love to hear your comments. Please comment below. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Bye.